In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, where the vibrant colors of nature paint the landscape, resides a creature of unparalleled beauty and intelligence, the macaw parrot. Welcome to Majestic Macaws, Guardians of the Rainforest, a journey into the world of these magnificent birds and the vital role they play in preserving the delicate ecosystem of the rainforest. First, let us meet the scarlet macaw, with its fiery red plumage and brilliant blue wings, a true symbol of the Amazon. Scarlet macaws are highly social birds, forming monogamous pairs that mate for life. Their loud vocalizations serve not only to communicate with each other, but also to establish territory and warn of potential threats. Next, we encounter the blue and gold macaw, with its stunning combination of cobalt blue and vibrant yellow feathers, a sight to behold amidst the greenery of the rainforest. These majestic birds are master foragers, using their strong beaks to crack open nuts and seeds. Isn't that cool? While their agile wings enable them to navigate the dense foliage with ease. I'm sure you can't wait for this part. Now, let us observe the green-winged macaw, distinguished by its emerald green plumage and vibrant red tail feathers, a true jewel of the rainforest. Clay licks, like this one, provide essential minerals and nutrients for macaws, helping to maintain their health and vitality in the wild. Because of our time, please consider subscribing to our channel so we create more educating videos about animals and their clans. Finally, we encounter the hyacinth macaw with its mesmerizing deep blue plumage, a rare and endangered species found only in select regions of the Amazon. As guardians of the rainforest, we must ensure the survival of these majestic creatures and the rich biodiversity they represent. Through conservation efforts and sustainable practices, we can safeguard the future of the macaw parrot and preserve the natural wonders of the Amazon for generations to come. Join us next time by subscribing and turning on the notification bell for another captivating adventure into the world of wildlife as we continue to explore the wonders of our natural world.